My name is Jason Jacobasi. I'm the customer service manager here at Van Ladder. I also work in the design team. Been doing this for about 22 years. Favorite part of my job is helping people solve their problems.
My interaction with Van Ladder or Jason or Dave, for that matter, I mean, they're really easy to get a hold of. You're talking to somebody that has extreme, in-depth knowledge on the piece of equipment, and it's, they have all the answers. Whereas if you call any other lift equipment manufacturer, you're getting some John Doe in engineering and whatnot, and he may know one specific portion of that machine, but he doesn't know it all. And Jason, Dave, they know that thing inside and out. It's in their skin.
So when I get a call, I would say more often than not it's from an operator that's actually on site in the unit having an issue with it. The first thing that I always do is try to understand what their circumstances are. If they're in the middle of heavy traffic or a storm, are they in the bucket, are they on the ground? Putting myself in their shoes, so to speak, is the first thing I try to do. And then I'll ask a lot of questions about what they've tried and really try to understand exactly what the problem is.
I tell my guys to get on the phone with them and troubleshoot with Van Ladder and see if you can fix it yourself before you're down.
Most of the time the symptoms will point to something pretty quickly, and there's some basic things that I'll always have them check to see if the problem can be resolved without any equipment or digging any deeper. If the problem is more complex, if they have a multimeter on board, generally I can diagnose the problems within a short period of time.
And 9 out of 10, we fixed it on site and the guy was able to keep going.
Conveying a sense of calm to the operator so that they can be confident that the problem is going to get resolved. And I'm going to be right there with them through that process, whatever it looks like. At the end of it, they're going to be fine and it will be resolved to their satisfaction.
Service is exceptional. It's awesome. Never at any time have I ever felt like I was being taken advantage of or being sold something I didn't need. They really operate with the utmost integrity.
They're not just a number to us. They're an individual. What they're struggling with is important to us, and we really value their input, not just because they're a customer, but because they're the guys that help us design this unit. And it's valuable information for us to have that.
But support with Van Ladder has been always #1 with us.
We still try to treat people the way we want to be treated. And I think that shows in how we build our product and how we stand behind our product. The customers that have been with us, I believe, will all attest to that. We've got your back.